Shall we go and talk about the chain on your CBR? We did.
Yeah, update on the CBR is well, I've done 75 miles
75
on the new chain, and if you can put the clip in of me doing this when I fitted it,
yes,
you'll see the difference.
And that's 75 miles.
That 75 miles has done that. Do you know what? It still isn't too bad. I might just tighten it up. I might just tweak it, but it isn't actually that bad. This chain hasn't stretched very much, and I've not been gentle with it. Not at all. So I might do a few more miles and just keep my eye on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think, if OK has got a slack and a tight, it's on the slacker side of OK.
Because it was what number is it on at the back? 'Cause it was at number 5, wasn't it?
It was just before 5, I think, if I remember rightly. I might tweak it a little bit. I might give it a few more miles yet. I don't know. But I'm very surprised at how little that chain has stretched.
Yeah.
I've put brand new chain and sprockets on before, and I don't buy the cheapest shit you can buy.
Yeah.
But I don't buy the dearest stuff out there either. Middle of the road. And
It's like how you ride.
It's yeah, well, all over the road, really. I'll take whatever's available. But I've had chains before, and within 50 miles or so, they've gone really slack. Scott's bike. Scott's bike 2 or 3 months ago.
What is CBR?
His Phase 1000. And he doesn't ride it particularly hard. He says he does, but he doesn't. I've ridden with him. And that slackened off quite a bit. And we give that one a tweak, and that was the last time I've tweaked his chain, and it's been fine since. But yeah, this one's not. It hasn't stretched very much at all. Not at all.
It does look good though, doesn't it?
It's lovely.
Oh, black wheels and sprockets with a gold chain.
Yeah, and the grease they come coated with, if you're like me and you don't go out in the rain and you don't go down dusty tracks, they stay clean like that for a long time. They do look nice, really nice.
So that's the CBR, the Fireblade. So there we've got the project bike.
The project bike, we will come to that.
Yes, we will do.
We will come to that.
That is work in progress, shall we say?
Yeah, that's Spaghetti Junction, isn't it?